is my big bad Pegasus unboxing, and review is big bad Pegasus King Gakame. Here is the parts right here, and those we have the rim, the sides, and then the no plate on the bottom. Next disc, Helga Rex, big bad Pegasus.
What, may internet ba?
Help!
Ano nga?
Here's the parts. Here's the dang ass plastic.
Okay, this is the parts. This
Okay.
is the other parts.
Here's has we call. Wait. Here's as we call. Here we have two metal wheels. Two metal wheels. We have two clear wheels, one baseball and one performance tube. And you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do with the box?
Oh yeah!
Let's try to assemble this guy. And of course the launcher, and I forgot the spring. Here, the spring. It's different, and this time it's on the side. Let's assemble this baby. It's quite a simple part, thing, but camera mode, you have to do it so here's the intense mode, and here's attack mode. Last call. Up is gonna go on attack mode. Just in case. Bye. Attack. Something's not right. It's a little bit wobbly. Wobbly whack. So here's it, Big Bad Pegasus. Oh, I forgot to present the final drive tip. It's really likable. When it speeds, when the speed slows down. I mean when the speed is super strong, it becomes super fast. It'll become like sharp. It'll become nice and sharp. When it slows down, it becomes flat. And let's do this, baby, unboxing! The spin is quite awesome. Get out of your remote.
Oh!
See, it's quite hard because please subscribe and so you got it.